Hello guys, welcome, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Aliexpress on TikTok Shop. Now, for those of you who don't know, Aliexpress is this drop shipping platform that we could use, absolutely beneficial for our sales on e-commerce. So just go ahead and search your shop seller center here, so we could just start wrapping this up and going. So just wait for it to load a little bit here. Now just bear with me on this step-by-step process. Just don't miss out any step, okay? It's really important that you don't miss out any step at all in this. It's really easy to do this, so just bear with me. And on a new tab here, just go to TikTok login. We have the TikTok seller account. Now go to your actual account, the TikTok login, so that you could monitor what's going on over here when we're doing this. So right now, going back to your seller center here, let's just wait for it to. Now, and also, oh, by the way, first and foremost, you have to make sure that your account is well provisioned. It's not sending off warnings like this one. So we're good to go on this page right here. No actions needed, it's 0. So I'm just low risk right here, really good. And yeah, we're good to go, up and going. So I'm going to need you to go ahead and open up your Aliexpress account here. Yeah, just go ahead, and what we're doing is we're shopping on Aliexpress. We're drop shipping, so we're shopping on Aliexpress in order for us to sell this on retail here on our TikTok shop. So yeah, this basically is a very good application to have, the Aliexpress, because not only could you buy stuff here, you could also sell directly if you want to. But since we're drop shipping here, let's just search for a product like this one, so we could use this one for an example. Like, let's say you're going to buy this one and you're going to sell this on your seller center. So let's just go ahead and buy this one first. Let's just wait for it to load a little bit here. Just click the continue, and then you're going to be able to buy this one and sell this on retail. Like if they sell this on wholesale, you can sell this in retail on your shop here. Place order, and voila, there you have it. You could also add new card if you want to. The key here is to buy stuff on this store, Aliexpress, so we could sell it on retail with our TikTok shop. Now, it's fairly easy to sell this. Once you've already bought the product and you got the product on hand, it's time for us to resell this. Just click products. Again, we're drop shipping here. Manage products. Again, it's really easy to do this, so manage products. And now that we're on this prompt right here, just go ahead and click add new product, and we'll be good to go. You'll be able to resell this one. Now, this is a hefty process here, so bear with me. Now that you're here on this platform right here, go ahead and add the basic information like your product name. What was the name of the product that you just bought on Aliexpress? So, for example, we bought the earpods, right? So let's just put here earpods for video. Let's just wait for it. Tutorial. Here we go. And yeah, make sure that the words that you're typing are in correct spelling, and it consists of more than 25 letters. So scroll down, and now go ahead, and what type of product are you trying to sell? What's the category? Is it home supplies? Is it kitchenware? Is it text and software? So start search earpods here. Here we go. It's phones and electronics. Just click continue. Wait for it to load a little bit here. We're going to now, what type of brand as the product that you were selling that you got on the Aliexpress. So the brand was, for example, Samsung. Just go ahead and add Samsung here, and we'll be filling this up here. The product attributes, warranty type, let's just put no here. Gaming, here we go. Yes, really gaming focused. And connection type, is it wireless? So our product is wireless. Just basically fill all this up. So sports focus, of course it is. Now go ahead and add this one, the custom value. So how do you market this one? That's the most important thing to master when it comes to e-commerce. So let's just put here Bluetooth connectivity. That's it. Click add, it'll add it right there. And then go ahead and with magnet, is it with magnet, yes or no? Let's just put here, of course it is with magnet. Material, what type of material is the product that we're selling? So let's say it's aluminum. Battery quality, like all these things are here. It's long lasting. And product condition, it's new or used, so let's just go with new since we got it freshly from Aliexpress or from any in this case any dropshipping stores that are designed for dropshipping that we could find. So scroll down and upload the image of the product that you're about to sell. You could take pictures of the product on hand or just upload it like this one and sell your product. Scroll down, product description, a product with good quality and durability that lasts. Now price, go ahead, let's just add a price here. Quantity, how many products do you have in hand here? Just scroll down. All I'm doing is scrolling down as we are speaking now. Is it by grams or kilograms? Of course it's by grams. So we got 2. This is the dimensions, how small it is, how big it is. Depending on how big it is and how heavy it is, it also affects the shipping price. So in this case we have the 109 pesos here, Philippine pesos. So yeah, just make sure to fill all these details up before we're up and going. Again, estimated shipping fee. Now you could absolutely choose if you want cash on delivery or not, if you want to receive the cash as soon as the customer receives the order, or you'd like the customer to like pay as soon as you receive the parcel. So now submit for review for 24 hours. Now how do you connect if you haven't done it yet, how do you connect Aliexpress to your TikTok shop? Just click apps and services, the app store here. So go ahead to the app store. We're trying to connect the Aliexpress here, so just bear with me on this one if you haven't yet. So this might come in handy. You can find it here on the popular platforms. Just click the popular platforms in the Aliexpress. I'm going to find applications, install now. You're going to click install so that it'll install from there. Let's just wait for it to load here. Put a little bit of your information here, like the target shop. The duration, it's really important that you have the duration of this connectivity. How long do you want it to be connected to your TikTok seller's account? Now here's the rest of the details that I'm filling up here, including the contact email, just a little bit of information so that you're able to connect the two. Don't forget to click this box right here so you could agree to the terms and agreements, and then from there you'll be able to connect the two. So here you go, it's connected, and there you have it. We're all set for this. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.